Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to fix the Windows 10 lagging/slow problem. If you're tired of your computer running slow and want to get it back to its former speedy glory, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you a quick fix that will solve the problem in just 1 minute. So, without further ado, let's get started. And there you have it, a quick fix for the Windows 10 lagging/slow problem. By following these simple steps, you should be able to get your computer running smoothly in just 1 minute. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.